Vandegurum students, subtraction topic over. Before starting a new topic, I am going to ask you questions. Can you see this toy shop? Shall we go to this shop? Yes, everybody will say ready, let's go. But whenever we go to shop, we will take few things. Can you tell what are the important things you will take when you go for a shop? Maybe your parents will take, right? Yes, bag. We always carry a bag. What else? Suppose if you forget the bag also, the shopkeeper will give the bag. But there is one very important thing you must take. What is that? Yes, your mummy will carry purse, right? Inside the wallet, what it will be? Yes, there will be money. So money is our topic. So is money important? Yes. When you go to shop, even though you have a Paytm, GPay, even debit card, credit card, what you need? Always money also will be there for a safer side. Because sometimes if card doesn't work, even if sometimes GPay doesn't work because of network issue, what will help? Money will help. So always the purse has money. Still, if you go to market, even some petty shops, they need money only. They will not accept your credit card or debit card or GPay. So, money is very important, right? So, our topic is money and we are going to learn about money. Which country do we live? Yes, we live in India, right? So, our Indian currency is called as, Indian money is called as rupee. What it is called? Rupee. And the symbol is, you have to draw like Hindi Ra, like this, and draw line. Anyway, I'll be showing in the board also. This is rupee symbol. So today we are going to learn about only coins. I am showing the real coin also, but that much clarity will not be there. So I am showing in the image. So the actually lowest value is 50 paise. But the 50 paise we are not using at all nowadays. So I am showing from 1 rupee. This is 1 rupee coin. This is, see, this a lion head is, this is called as head. A coin has a tail and a head. This is head part, this is tail. And this is 2 rupee. This is head and this is tail. This is 5 rupee. This is 10 rupee. So like this only. You can see the real coin also. And we are going to trace these coins also today. So that you will know what are the coins available. So today only coins. So just parents, please give some coins and tell them to see what are the details. Which year it is there. What country it is written. And the symbol also please explain them. And they have to trace also. Vandegurum students, our new topic is money. What is meant by money? You would have seen these coins, right? Whenever your parents want to go to shop, they will take this money and go. So without money, we can't buy anything. So let us learn about money. Now, these are all coins. Okay. The value written, right, the number 2 means this is 2 rupee coin. The value is 2 rupees. You can buy anything with for 2 rupees, chocolate or something. This is 5 rupee coin. You can see which year it is prepared also, it is written. And another side you can see there will be a lion. So this is called head part. Okay, head and tail. A coin has head and tail. Whichever side the lion head is there, this is called as head. This side is tail. And this is 1 rupee. You can see the number, right? 1 rupee. So which is head? This is head and this is tail. If you see this coin, there will be so many things will be rupee symbol and number. And even this head part, it will be written Bharat. Okay, so this is 1 rupee. Actually, I don't have 50 paise and 10 rupee also. So I am showing this. Actually, even there are 50 paise, 10 rupee also. So this is 1 rupee and this is 2 rupee and this is 5 rupee coin. I will teach you how to draw. And I am going to do an interesting activity, that is tracing coin. How to trace a coin, I will teach you that also. Now I am going to explain how to trace a coins. What are the things you need? You need your notebook and few coins. 5 coins you take. I have taken 3 coins, different coins. And you take a color pencil or normal pencil also. I am showing color pencil, then only you can see in this camera. What you have to do is, first thing, take any coin. First try with 5 rupee because this is rough. You will get it easily. So you have to, whichever page you are going to trace, the next page you have to keep the coin like this. And just you have to see the print. See, when you touch, can you see this coin? Yes, once you have to see the coin, just to hold tightly like this, and the pencil should be sharp. Now what you have to do, you have to hold like this. You should not leave this finger, tightly hold. Now start shading like this, slowly shade. Don't tear the page, slowly have to start shading, tracing. This is called actually tracing. You should not draw. Actually when you trace, the coin automatically it will appear in the front page. Now I have completed tracing. Now you can see the lion symbol in this, right? Next, another side also, what you have to do, you have to turn the other side. So now I have done the head, now tail. So the same way, just to see the print you should see and hold tightly like this. First time it will not come, and you should have patience. You should do very patiently and slowly, hold tightly. Then you start like this, you should start. Do with color pencil so that it will be very colorful. First start with pencil, then other coins and all do with color pencil. For this I am using different color. So like this trace. Now you can see the 5 number in this, you can see. So same like this you have to trace. Next I am going to trace 2 rupee. So what you have to do, you have to keep under the page. See the coin. Just hold it. Then start like this. Slowly you should start. And you should not draw. Many will do like this drawing. No. See, automatically the circle will come. The coin will come on this page. If you want, you can first practice in some other rough note. Then you can do in classwork. First time really it will not come. Because you will not hold properly, right? Slowly, slowly, slowly it will come. So don't lose your patience. Keep trying. See. You can see exactly the rupee symbol also in this. So try with different coins. Even if you have foreign country coins, you can try and you can send the picture to me. I am sure you will love this activity and trace the coins and send the picture to me. Actually see, you can see the year also 2016 in this. So like that you will get, if you are doing with patience and slowly, you will get the exact number in this tracing. So try it and send the picture to me.